Never let a promising Facebook lead slip through your fingers again by automating your lead nurturing with this powerful integration. First, let's head over to your Facebook Ads Manager to set up a new lead generation campaign or edit an existing one. Within your ad set settings, navigate to the lead form section here. You'll need to create or select the lead form you're using for your campaign. Once your form is configured with the questions you need, click on the Advanced Settings or Integrations tab. You'll see an option that says Connect with a CRM or marketing platform. Click on that to reveal the integration options. Look for the MailerLite icon among the available integrations and select it. You'll then be prompted to log into your MailerLite account to authorize the connection. Grant the necessary permissions for MailerLite to access your Facebook lead data. Now, back in MailerLite, we need to tell it where to put your new leads. Go to your subscribers section. Create a new group or list specifically for your Facebook leads, or select an existing one you'd like to use. In the MailerLite integration settings within Facebook, you'll now be able to select the MailerLite group or list you just created. The magic happens when you set up an automation. In MailerLite, create a new automation and set the trigger to new subscriber. You can then design a welcome email sequence, add delays, or even trigger specific campaigns based on the data submitted in your Facebook form. This seamless integration ensures every Facebook lead is instantly captured, added to your targeted lists, and begins their journey with your automated nurturing sequences, boosting your marketing efficiency and conversion rates.